Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a tripod and fixing your camera or phone so nothing moves. This is essential because tiny shifts ruin the illusion. Once done, arrange a clean backdrop and place registration tape under minifigs to return them precisely. You should pick a short scene length and decide on frame rate. 12 frames per second is a good balance, so you know how many individual photos you need. Keep lighting constant to avoid flicker. Do test shots and adjust. Now you focus on motion. Move your minifigures in tiny, consistent increments and photograph each change. You want dozens of photos. Small steps produce smooth movement, so plan motions over many frames. Make sure you label or keep files in sequence so importing is painless. While shooting, maintain manual white balance and steady LED lights so color and brightness don't jump. If a frame misaligns, stop and reshoot that segment. It's faster than fixing jitter later. Finally, import your photo sequence into Imovie and set each photo's duration or use an image sequence tool so playback matches your chosen FPS. Once in the timeline, trim clips, add simple cross-dissolve sparingly, and insert sound effects and background music to enhance motion. Make sure audio lines up with actions and adjust clip timing for natural pacing. Export as 1080p, 264. If you see flicker or jitter,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.